Hey everyone, welcome back to AnyDesk. Today, I'll guide you through downloading and installing AnyDesk on Windows 11 24H2. Whether you're working remotely or need to access another computer, AnyDesk is a fantastic tool. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite web browser on computer. Head over to the official AnyDesk website by typing "Download AnyDesk" and hit Enter. Click to open the first link. You'll find the download link right on the homepage. Click Download now to get the latest version compatible with Windows 11. Once the download is complete, open the installer. AnyDesk will open up. Move this side and then click on Install AnyDesk on this device. Click on Accept and Install. After installation, AnyDesk will launch at itself. You'll see your AnyDesk address at the top. Share this with others to allow remote access. Remember, safety first, only share with people you trust. And that's it. You've successfully installed AnyDesk on your Windows 11 24H2 machine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.